Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to unlock these games on your PS4 console. Even though if you are owning this game but it is locked on your PS4 console, it's very simple. For example, I have newly bought this game but still it is locked. I don't know why. So I'm going to tap this start button. So here itself you can see this. Activate as your primary PS4. So what you need to do is you need to go to the settings. Before that, ensure that you have connected to the internet. So go to settings and then go to account management and then go to activate as your primary PS4. So I need to activate it. So change to this PS4. So it's activated. I'm giving OK. And if you want to restore the license also, you can do that. Because sometimes, right, if it is not unlocked, you can just do this, restore the license or just restart it, okay? Or I'm going to, still it is locked. Okay, lock is removed now. So that's it, friends. Example, still if your game is locked, restore the licenses, under account management, give restore licenses. So automatically it will be unlocked. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can unlock the games in PS4 console. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback, media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.